Okay, Micro Duda here again, and we got a special unboxing here of my new security light. It's by DrawGreen LED solar power motion sensor lamp, and it's supposed to be basically waterproof too. So it goes outside, uses LED lights, as you can see here, IP66. It's oh, I guess it's got a replaceable lithium battery. That's kind of cool. All right, lighting up to weak mode 20 hours. Rechargeable by sunlight for storing power. All right, so let's see what's in the box. Actually, let's go around here a little bit. What are the more details that we got here? So it uses 5.5 volts. It's got a luminous 1400 flux. Battery is that's a huge battery. 18,650 lithium battery. Man, charging time 5 to 6 hours. Color temperature 55,000 K, which is kind of like a whitish color. I believe, is this supposed to be waterproof? I thought it's supposed to be waterproof. Ingress protection, yeah. Okay, alright, so let's see what's in the box. Alright, let's check it out. What's that say there?
LED light.
It says
20 hours.
20 hours for...
More than 20 hours.
Yep, okay. So let's see what's inside the box here. Okay. Alright, so wait, let me just quick instructions manual here. Just go over that. You know, you want to go over that. It had two colors. It had black and white. I chose white because white reflects sunlight, and it'll be less. It'll turn less hot. So it's really neat because this is a portable unit. So it looks like a. It kind of looks like a security camera too. So I mean, if you look at it,
Is it?
no, it's just a solar power light. So people think it's a security camera, so they'll be less tempted to break into your house with this. And it's cool because basically, you know, you just gotta. I'm gonna be mounting it into the wood on the top of the house, and what's cool is it's got built-in solar power right there, so it'll pick up the solar power, recharge on its own in the daytime, and basically turn on at night. All built in. It looks like, what's this? Kind of like. Okay, so it feels. This is a metal one. This is plastic, metal. Yes, metal, metal, metal. So it's all metal minus the solar power unit itself. And
Bye-bye.
so here it says low, off, high. And I don't think there's even a way for me to charge it. So there's got to be a way to do it where the modes, to know which different modes it's on. It's probably on here. Let's see. Okay. Right here. Remember to please turn the light on before installing. The on-off button is beneath the panel. When dim light plus full brightness mode, the LED will flash once. When off plus full brightness mode, the LED will flash twice. When all off, the LEDs will flash thrice. Yeah, thrice. I mean 3 times. Nice Chinese translation there. So what I want it off, and I want it to go full brightness whenever somebody creeps up on the house. Bunch of tweakers in the area. If you don't know what tweakers means, that means methamphetamine addicts roaming the neighborhood here in Buena Park, California. So I want it off. So when they creep up, it's going to go full brightness and shine them up. All right? Let them know that they're being watched, because I also got the Ring watching the house too. It has dim mode, where it always stays on low, and if somebody creeps up, it goes to full brightness, okay? So I don't want that. So, yeah, let's see if it's got any charging now. So let's see. Turn this one off. I'm going to push it once. So it flashed once. Now that must be low mode. Boom, boom, twice. So this must be tweaker mode. That it's fully off. Flash twice, 3 times, off. Yeah, so that's not too bad, right? You see it again? So let's see how bright it actually is. Can we get some... Can you turn off the light switch over there? You see how bright it is? Let's see. So this is low mode. So, I don't have that much darkness, so it's kind of hard to tell. Let's see if I could go to a darker place, okay? Let me turn it off. Let me pause it. Okay, so this is supposed to be low mode, which actually is... Oh, there it is. This is low mode. So this is basically... See, it senses light and then it'll go brighter. So, let me go back here. This is low mode. Go back again here. Let's see if it'll... Bright mode is pretty good. That is some nice shining there. Kind of impressed how bright it goes. I didn't think it'd be that bright. So let's see if it goes to low mode. Okay, there it is. So you see, it's kind of like a low light. It just lets you know there's a light there. Then as soon as you creep up to it, green giant, boom, it shines up. So this light's really good. I mean, I'm in a pitch black environment. Look at this. I mean, this is really, really bright. Yeah, this is really good deals. So, yeah. So that's on the dim mode. Then you do it one more time. Boom, boom. And that's supposed to be twice as it's supposed to turn all the way off. And then if it senses anything, it'll shine the high beam. Let's see if it turns off here. Let's see. Come on now. Okay, there it is. So it's off completely. I'm going to put my hand over it. Oh, boom, it just turned on. See that? Yeah. It shines so nice. I'm really impressed with this. I mean, I could use this for a spotlight. I could walk around like, hey, what's up, dude? Walk around town, you know. Yeah. So there you go. Let me pause it real quick and we'll go back to the other side. Okay, so there you saw how bright this thing went. I mean, this is no joke. I got this as a flash deal on Amazon for like $19. Originally it was $39, so I got 50% off. Probably because it's got some little scratches there. See that? That's no big deal. I don't really care. Shit, for what I paid for it, $19. Who cares? And also, you got included is the mounting brackets here to mount it against the wall. I'm going to be mounting against wood on the top of the house. So, yeah, I think this is a pretty good deal. We'll see how good it actually senses and turns on. Again, DrawGreen brand there. I'll put a link in the description so you can see where it's at on Amazon. And if you like this, video, make sure you give it a thumbs up. And please make sure you subscribe. I need to reach those 1,000 subscribers to get my monetization back up and running. Up until next time, peace.